There's nothing quite like the anxiety of losing your smartphone or tablet, or the relief of finding them again. There are millions of applications downloaded every day. We make sure you install safe applications by defending against mobile malware in real time. Receiving unwanted calls and texts from unknown numbers can be unsettling. So we give you the control to filter all calls and texts. Getting protected can be a frustrating business. We provide hassle-free, high-performance protection that's really easy to use. When you make a financial transaction online, the big question is it safe? With our online banking and shopping technologies, the answer's yes. Kaspersky Internet Security for Android. Think about it. We do.